Hi everyone, Kitten Pop here coming at you with another video, and today I am going to be organizing my yarn cabinet. Now, any good crocheter or possibly bad crocheter has an area in their house that is full of yarn and probably not organized. We buy a lot of yarn at once for future projects and then don't know what to do with that yarn after we have just all this yarn piled up. So today I'm going to be organizing my yarn cabinet, which you will see how much of a disaster zone this is. So if you're wondering why this rubber band is here, it's because someone likes to open up cabinets, don't you? He likes to open up cabinets, and we usually have our hamper right here. So we started opening this and making it even more of a mess. So that's why there's a rubber band there. Okay, buddy, you can get put down now. So, also if you're wondering why I wear a lot of wigs in my video, one of the reasons is because I can't find my straightener, and I'm pretty sure it's in this mess. Alright, so let's open this up. Okay, so this is the mess I'm working with right now. We got a whole bunch of yarn and some unfinished projects, of course, because every crocheter has an unfinished project. And some miscellaneous stuff, like this is a box filled with like phone stuff for some reason. I don't know, when you move into a small apartment, you just find places to put your stuff and you're like, that's good. This is where it lives now. So I'm gonna reorganize this. I already do kind of have some boxes in here, and I did already put some boxes down in this one, but this one is kind of for our sheets, so we don't have much to work with that one. I also bought these 3 storage bins, but they're the fabric nice ones, and I bought this one big one with a lid. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to try and organize it by shades and colors and see where we can go from there. These seem like they will hopefully all fit. I don't know about this big one, but we'll go from there and see. But yes, this is the mess I have to work with. So let's get started organizing. Broken headphones in here. For some reason those are in there, so those go in the trash. Oh, sorry buddy. This is just a big bag of yarn. This is what I put my yarn in when I moved out of my dad's house, and it's just not working. I need to figure something out, hence why I got the box, the little storage. Take too long to clean out, but it's not cleaning out that's the issue. It's organizing it and figuring out how I'm going to organize the colors and everything. So I will see you in a bit. Here's all my yarn out and about, strewed across my bedroom floor. So let's get to organizing. See, this was the exact problem I was talking about. He didn't even need the hamper. He jumped all the way from up there and got in. Little fat meanie. Are you going to climb up the other one? So this is another problem that comes with storing yarn tangles and yarn knots. So, and just like unfinished projects that you're probably never going to make again, so I'll just end up pulling stuff like that apart. So that's just what you got to deal with when you're making yarn. I meant when you're organizing yarn, not when you're making yarn. And now he's in one of my bins. Hey buddy. Found a nice little box for you to sit in. Oh, and you're kneading it? That's great, buddy. Thankrid. Okay, so this is one of the aforementioned unfinished projects. I think I was making like a swirl blanket or whatever, and I just wasn't liking how it was turning out with this yarn, and I think I was gonna move out soon, so I didn't feel like finishing it. So this is something that's not even gonna be unraveled. I think I'm just gonna snip this and throw this away. So sometimes you just gotta realize when you'll never finish a project. So here's another unfinished project. It was gonna be a Stranger Things wall hang, but I ended up like just buying a poster that was gonna go over my dinner table instead, and like never finished it, and it's all tangled. So I think I'm just gonna cut this too and just throw this part out. Of course, keep the needle or the hook, I mean. Thankrid is doing a great job of supervising, aren't you, buddy? Okay, so this yarn. So this was part of a project that was part of this, and I was making another one of those, which is a carbuncle. However, Hobby Lobby discontinued this color, and I have no idea if I'm ever going to be able to finish it. Because I'm also making a blanket, which is at my dad's house that I don't have a picture of, I think, out of this, and I don't think I'm ever gonna find this particular, I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but it's a particular shade of neon green, and like really only this brand sold that color. So I'm not gonna get rid of this because I do want to finish it and somehow like find this shade of green again, even though Hobby Lobby discontinued this particular color. Look at this giant pile of tangled yarn. Oh my god, that's gonna take forever to untangle. Okay, so they're slightly organized now. The middle is trash, with the exception of these. These are going to be donated. So I'm literally going to use that old bag to put the donation yarns in. Alright, and here is the final result. And I put one box down here as well that has the unfinished stuff in it. And then this is gray, browns, and whites. That's reds, pinks, and burgundies. That's blue and greens. This has some crochet equipment in it. And that is reds and pinks. And that up there is mostly just tools. That top up there doesn't look as pretty as this does, but look how pretty and organized this looks. So, thanks for watching. Took my wig off, so there's my cat, who apparently pulled out one of my shirts. By the way, I never found my straightener, so I just ended up buying a new one.